in Azure DevOps, also in GitHub Actions. So in this stage or in this job, we have a job called build. We want to create another job called test. Please, do you understand? Please note, you can see the line of build, this indentation. It's on that same indentation that I'm going to create my next stage. I'm going to call that stage test stage. I'm going to call that stage test, my test stage. This is my test stage. What do I want to do on my test stage? What is the runner I want my test stage to run on? I'm running on, sorry, I want to use Ubuntu also. I don't want to use Mac. It's my own personal beef, kind of latest. Okay. What stage should it run after? I need it to run after. I need to run after my build pipeline. So what is it called? Build capital B. That's the reason why it's showing a red line. Capital B. Can you see that the red line is gone? Now, I want to talk about steps. What do I want to do here? Firstly, so in this, there's echo, just echo. Sorry. In this stage, new stage. Okay, new job. I need to echo run on this command. So run echo. This is a new stage / job called test. So you can have any other steps under it, you understand? Depending on what you want, you can have multiple steps under it. That's if you want to do it that way. And also you can have you can choose to create another stage again under it called deploy. So this new stage is going to be called deploy. This one on the button also. It is going to run after my test is completed. You understand? I'm going to put test here. It's going to run. This is a new stage called deployment. I've created 3 stages, right? I've created my build stage, I have created my test stage, and I've created my deploy stage. So you can now choose to do it inversely, meaning that you can make your test stage to be the first stage. You understand? After that, your build stage, and after that, your deployment stage. Do you understand what I said?
Yes, sir. I want to ask a question, sir.
Okay.
Okay, can you make deploy the first stage?
No, things are not done that way. Deployment is the last
Okay.
thing you do. So it is called
Okay.
CICD, continuous integration, and the next thing is called
Continue.
continuous deployment.
Continuous deployment. Okay.
Please, do you understand now?
Yeah.
Everything up here is called integration. You get it? Everything up here is called integration. Everything. The build, the test, everything is called integration. You can put your test before your build, or you can put your build before your test, depending on your organization um structure
Structure.
or how they do things. You
Okay.
get it? But you can't put your deployment before any one of them. Deployment comes last. Now I made some short videos online on our in my channel, and that's Bravo Digital. So I'll send the channel to the group today. So one of the things I talked about in the channel was about deployment. I think, yeah, deployment. So in that place I talked about why you should ensure that what your deployment is appropriately done. Why do you need to make your deployment this way or that way? But you can put your integration in any how you want to do, but your deployment should be the last thing you do. You can deploy to so integration means that if you go to a restaurant, preparing the food is called integration. I go to a restaurant, for instance, I said I want to eat barbecue. They're going to prepare barbecue for me, right? The waiter is going to they are going to just prepare it. The caterer, the chef will prepare it. Maybe they have a QA person to test what I am, what the chef is preparing. Everything is called integration. All those things that are doing doesn't involve me. Please, do you understand? That is what is called
Yes, sir.
CI, continuous integration. It doesn't involve me at all. But continuous deployment is how am I being served? Are they going to put inside tissue paper and give it to me? Or they will serve me on a big dish, or I'll be served this way and what kind of way, or I'll be given a takeaway home. So that is what they call continuous deployment. You don't serve somebody before you prepare the food. You prepare the food before
True.
you serve the
Very
person.
sad.
Yeah,
True.
that is continuous CI/CD. Prepare the food and then serve the food. Please, you get the concept?
Yes,
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
very good.
good. Okay, so I've done this for you. So maybe come next week, you can now choose to arrange it yourself the way you want to do it. Maybe you want to do your test before your build, or you want to put your build before your test. Any one of it you want to do, please do it. I want to see something beautiful. You cannot choose to do next week. You want to have like for instance, I created 3 jobs or 3 stages here. My assignment, you can now choose to create 4 or 5 stages. I don't know, but based on what I have done, I want you to do something that is welcoming and presentable. So the first assignment I gave is that you should what create a download of this artifact. It is called publish of
A zip
artifact.
download.
Download, yeah, that's download. You have to download the artifact. I want to see it, please. I want to see that task that downloads the artifact. I have the task that downloads the artifact, but I'm not going to give it to you. Go and get it done. You understand? And you can go online and make a research about it. Go and do that and let me see it. Let's review it together. So that one. And number 2 is create other stages or manage your stage. Like in this my stage, I have my CI before my tests, but in your own stage, you can have your test before your CI. I want to see you do it. I want to see how it works and so on and so forth. Please, do you understand? So I think that is the major thing. So that's the second assignment for now. The next one that we are going to talk about. So let me just stop. Hmm.